You want to know the one thing I think most dentists are missing from their dental practices? It has nothing to do with teeth. It has to do with emotional health. Yes, emotional trauma and dental phobia is a real thing, and many adults suffer from it because of negative experiences they had when they were children. Now, get this. I have to educate you on something. There was something called the hand over mouth technique, HOM. This is where if a child was in your chair and they weren't cooperating, you literally put your hand over their mouth to restrict their airway and essentially threaten them and scare them enough to cooperate. But guess what? If that wasn't working, there was an add-on, hand over mouth with airway restriction. So what they would do is put their hand over the child's mouth, and if they still weren't cooperating, they would pinch their nose to literally suffocate them. That is right. This was in textbooks. And this, I hope, is not still happening, but I want you to know it exists, and we wonder why patients don't trust dentists. Thank goodness things are changing, and the younger generations of dentists are realizing that that's assault, and we're not going to participate in that. But there are still dentists who are restraining kids and papoosing them. This is very scholarly debate. It's something I don't do in my office. I think if a child is unable to sit, I am not going to physically hold them down because that's not good for anyone. And I think emotional health is number one, and how that child leaves that appointment will affect them for the rest of their lives. At the end of the day, you guys, these are baby teeth. We can have conversations about risks and benefits, but I will tell you what, restraining a child will have a long-term impact on their mental health in the dental chair, and they'll be less likely to be a good dental patient and actually go to the dentist. That leads to a whole cascade of issues. What are we doing here? Put the patient's emotional health first, and you will be a better provider.